Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So the channel is right now running in a sort of a backlog. I have a few videos to shoot, particularly the vlogs part. So the M340i vlogs, there is a episode gonna be filmed very soon, and E46 vlogs is long overdue, so that is going to come. Jimny vlogs also will be updated in the days to come. But right now we are in our 2012 BMW F30 328i and we are filming the F30 vlogs. In this video we are going to discuss the brakes. So since 2012 there have been a couple of brake pads which have been changed. Once at the service center, once it was done at a friend's aftermarket workshop, and those were some pads which were by a brand called Techstar. That is not a genuine BMW brand, however it is sort of an OEM equivalent. So anyone who would be aware about BMW's upkeeps would be aware about aftermarket solutions, OEM stuff and genuine BMW stuff. So there is a difference in quality when it comes to genuine BMW. The spec might be same when it comes to aftermarket, when it comes to the OEM solutions, but genuine BMW has its own advantage when it comes to the quality. I finally went in for an official BMW service to get the brakes overhauled, the disc as well as pads. The fun part was I got made in Germany discs which were absolutely fresh, and those were July 2025 imports, and this brake job was done in August, so as fresh as it can get. And the final thing which made me happy is, I'm sure a lot of people would be aware by now, that I got a discount of approximately 30% on the final brake pads and the brake discs for all the genuine BMW stuff, because BMW has something called as the Joy Rewards. It's sort of the more you drive, the more discounts you get, and if you service at an official BMW service outlet. In addition to the entire brake job which was related to the disc and pads, I also went ahead with a brake fluid service, and the final cost which came up was around 95,000 including taxes and labor, and that is not too bad considering the aftermarket OEM parts were available for around 65,000 odd, where it was no guarantee that how new the parts were, wherein right now I got absolutely stonking fresh parts from Germany, versus this is including a brake fluid job which was not including which was not quoted by the aftermarket guys. So even if we consider all those jobs, I would say that I paid maybe 10 to 15,000 extra with an official BMW service center than what I would have paid at an aftermarket outlet with non-genuine BMW parts but with equivalent specification OEM parts. And on that note, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.